Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making a backup copy. Do this now so you can revert. Once backed up, disable Protected View quickly. File, Options, Trust Center, Protected View off, then open the copy and click Enable Editing. You must allow macros for the next step, so set macro security to enable for this session. Doing these steps lets you access workbook internals. They remove the screen lock caused by protected view or blocked macros and let you proceed to unprotect actions. You now attempt the straightforward fix. Go to Review and click Unprotect Sheet, then Unprotect Workbook. If prompted, enter the password. Once done, you're finished. If you do not have the password, open the VBA editor, Alt plus F11, insert a standard module, and paste a short unlock macro that loops sheets and clears sheet protection. Run that macro. It brute forces the protection for most modern Excel files. Make sure to save the workbook after confirming sheets are editable. Once sheets are editable, save the file under a new name and test common actions, edit cells, run formulas, and check views like freeze panes. Make sure to re-enable any security you need. Turn Protected View back on or set a new password via File Info Protect Workbook. If the VBA unlock failed, enable macros in Trust Center and try again. Alternatively, when macros remain blocked, the ZIP/XML approach change. XLSX2. Zip and edit sheet protection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.